Hey, hi. Most foods marketed today directly for the children are heavily processed and potentially dangerous for their long term development. Now, the solution is there's an app called Totsy Family Food Scanner. Totsy acts as an independent filter to help parents cut through the noise, avoid toxic ingredients, and make genuinely healthy informed choices. Okay. So we're going to really see how this app works. And Totsy's mission is to be the most trusted platform for parents seeking transparency about what is actually going inside their children's bodies. We're going to look at this app to see how it works, the core features which are in this app. All right. We're going to see alternatives. If you're not willing to use Totsy, what other apps can you use? We're going to look at the costs, the subscriptions if you're using Totsy, and also we're going to talk about how you can use the free trial period for Totsy. All right. So generally, this is a very cool app for someone who is worried about what your child is taking. Hey, so let's look at the core features. The first one is the barcode scanning and data-driven scores. Totsy instantly turns complex, tiny ingredient lists into a clear, easy to understand Totsy score. You can compare products actually side by side at the glance. Okay. Now the second one is what I actually find coolest the most is the personalized child profiles. Instead of a generic checklist, you, the parent, can add specific details of your child into the app. During the setup, as we're going to see, you can add your child individually, noting any specific allergies your child may have, um, sugar limits, which maybe you may want your child not to exceed, or any chemical additives you want to avoid. Okay, so you can do that in this app. Then the third core feature I can say is the Totsy alerts and personal red flags. They provide instant notifications for allergies, as I've said, food sensitivities, specific dietary preferences, and toxic additives the moment a barcode is scanned. All right. Now, the fourth one I can say is the label translation. If you're shopping for imported or cultural foods where the labels are not in English, the app kind of translates the ingredients while actually calculating the safety score. So let's talk about how to use the Totsy app. Okay, now you're going to download the app from Apple Store. Okay, for some of you who are using Android, we're going to discuss the alternative at the end because I haven't seen Totsy Android app yet. Okay, so you're going to download the Totsy from Apple Store. Okay, then you're going to open it and set it up. Set up your family profile. You're going to add your child. You're going to add what your child is allergic to. Maybe it doesn't eat peanuts. Maybe it doesn't eat honey or something. Okay, you're going to put maybe the sugar limits and everything. Okay, chemical additives that you want to avoid from your child consuming it. So you're going to really add it all. Then you're going to start to use it. You're going to scan a product barcode. When doing your grocery shopping, you're going to tap the camera or the scanner icon within the app. Okay, then you're going to frame the product's barcode inside the on-screen box. The app will quickly scan and process the public product data. Okay, now free, it will analyze the Totsy score. Okay, so review the instant Totsy score displayed on your screen. Look closely at the breakdown to see if any hidden processed ingredients or dangerous preservatives trigger the warning. Okay. Now the last part, as the app is working, look out for the custom Totsy alerts. If a product contains an ingredient that matches a sensitivity or restriction you saved in step 1, during the app, when you're doing the app family setup, the app will flag it immediately so you can put the item back on the shelf. All right. Now let's talk about the subscription. The Totsy Pro subscription offers a few different tiers depending on how the user signs up and whether they choose a short term or long term. Okay, they have a weekly. I think it goes for like 9.99. That's roughly like $10 a week. They also have a monthly package which goes from $10 to $14 per month. They also have a yearly, which goes for like starting from I think like $47 to $80. Okay. Now the pricing structures can sometimes vary slightly based on the seasonal promotions or the region that you are downloading the app from. So kind of note, okay. And then also the subscriptions automatically renew through their Apple ID or Google Play Store accounts unless they are cancelled at least 24 hours before the period ends. Now let's talk about how the free trial works. Okay, when you first download Totsy, you're given a free day or 7-day free trial. During this trial, all premium features are unlocked so that you can test it out at the grocery store. Okay, now Totsy requires you to select one of their subscription plans, a weekly or monthly or yearly, and input the payment details upfront. Okay, and if you don't cancel the trial at least 24 hours before it ends, the app will automatically, the App Store account will automatically be billed for the full plan amount. So it's kind of important for you to know if you're just not willing to pay, you try to kind of cancel it before they charge you. Okay. What can you do for free in Totsy? Now, unlike apps like Yuka, which we're going to see, Totsy is built strictly around a subscription model. You know, it behaves more like a free to try app rather than a permanently free service. Okay. So we're going to really look at if you're downloading Totsy without paying for a subscription, what can you do? So your options are quite of limited. First of all, you can download the app for free from Apple Store. Okay. 2, you can open the app and input basic parameters for your child, like setting up their names, age profiles, to see how the system works. Okay. All that is free. But to actually experience the core functionality, scanning the barcodes using this translation tool, getting custom alert lookups, or viewing specific food ratings, you have to activate their free trial. So there's nothing much that you can do in a free trial unless you actually pay. Okay, sorry, there's nothing much you can do without paying. Okay, but if you kind of don't want to pay, you can try their free or 7 trial, 7-day, free 3 days or 7-day, depending, depends I think on the country. Then you try out their full functionalities. If you are not really happy with that, you can really cancel. So this is Yuka. This is the alternative to Totsy. Okay. And you can do a lot with this app, though they kind of they work differently. Okay, because Totsy is more of made for the children. Okay, the parent who wants really to know what his child should not really eat. But Yuka is kind of general. Okay, it's not limited to children, and also you can do a lot for free in Yuka, as we're going to see. Okay, to unlock the premium version, Yuka asks users to choose an annual contribution based on what they think is fair or what they can afford. The price can range from like 10, 15, or 20 per year. Okay, now unlike most apps, it's a 12-month membership that does not automatically renew. You have to actually expressly choose to support the app again the following year. Okay. So while the free version lets you do unlimited barcode scans, which you can do in Totsy, paying the annual fee unlocks other stuff like search bar. You can look up a product by typing its name without needing the physical barcode in front of you. Okay. They have the offline mode. You can scan items even if you lose signal inside a deep supermarket or basement grocery store. So it can really do that, okay? Then you can set up custom alerts for specific preferences, like detecting maybe palm oil, gluten, lactose, all that stuff, okay? And then I think you can also keep a full backlog of every single product that you have scanned throughout the year. So yeah, okay. So it's really kind of a cool app which you have to kind of check out, right? So if you don't want to go with Totsy, you can consider kind of using Yuka, okay? But for this one, Totsy, it's made strictly for kind of children. I will see you in the next video. If you're interested in videos like this, that I review random apps, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? See you and bye-bye.